Unpacking escitalopram, what you need to know. Thinking about escitalopram? Many people focus on relief but overlook critical risks that could impact their journey. Escitalopram, often known by its brand name Lexapro, is a commonly prescribed medication for depression and anxiety. It can be a vital tool for improving mental well-being, but like any powerful medication, it's not without its specific considerations. Today, we're cutting through the noise to discuss its main purpose and three crucial risks you absolutely need to understand before or while taking it. Escitalopram belongs to a group of medicines called SSRIs, or selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. It works by helping to restore the balance of a natural substance, serotonin, in your brain, which can lift your mood and reduce anxiety. It's truly a game changer for many, offering a path towards stability. However, the conversation often stops there, leaving crucial information in the dark. The first key risk involves common initial side effects, things like nausea, dizziness, insomnia, or a little stomach upset. These usually fade within a few weeks as your body adjusts. The second significant risk is sexual dysfunction, which can include decreased libido or difficulty with orgasm. This particular side effect can sometimes persist, affecting many users. Finally and crucially, there's a rare but serious risk called serotonin syndrome. This happens if serotonin levels get too high, often when combined with other medications. Symptoms like agitation, confusion, a rapid heart rate, or muscle stiffness demand immediate medical attention. Always tell your doctor about all your medications. Understanding these points helps you make informed choices. To continue learning about managing your mental health, check out our next video.